Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll teach you how to flip and rotate a video in CapCut. So if you want to learn how it's done, then this video is for you. So what you can do is you can head over and create in here a new project. So head over and create a new project and then just choose the video that you want to rotate. So for example, for me, I will rotate this video right here. So I'll click on add, and then in here, as you can see, it's in the landscape mode. So if I want to actually rotate it, what I can do is I can click on this clip right here. And on this clip right here, what I can do next is I can just scroll in this. And once I scroll in this, you can see in here the option for transform. So click on that. And in here, you can see this option for rotate. So once you have clicked on rotate right here, it will rotate just like this. As you can see, it's rotated to the left. Once you have clicked on this again, it will rotate upside down. And if you click on this again, it will rotate like this on 270 degrees. So just choose the side that you want to rotate. But for me, I'll just head over and then make this like this. So if I want to actually flip it, I can use this mirror right here. So as you can see, this has this word for up to 70% up. So if I click on this mirror right here, the 70% up will be flipped just like that. So you can actually just do that if you want. So once you're done with everything, just click on this icon right here in order to successfully export it. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks!